Cake Architecture, a London-based studio, has finished a communal wellness center in Canary Wharf, featuring a sauna that accommodates 65 people and a lounge with an amphitheater design, intended to capture the vibrant energy of a nightclub. Called ARC, this wellness center focuses on contrast therapy, which involves alternating between hot and cold environments to stimulate the body's natural stress and relaxation mechanisms. Cake Architecture created this space for White Rabbit Projects, a hospitality specialist seeking to position ARC as a unique alternative to traditional nightlife culture. The client's brief specified certain functional needs, including various room types, equipment, and capacity requirements. The interior was also designed to offer a sense of rhythm as guests move through the different areas. Designer, Cake Architecture.